Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't hear any sound during the call. First of all, try switching the volume and try moving the volume bar all the way to the top and check if you can hear anything. Now if you don't worry, slide the control center down, go to settings, select the sound settings, scroll down, then expand this list, find the application that you're using to make a call, and check if it's not muted, and check the volume of it, and you can also move the slider to the right to increase the volume level. Now the next thing that you can do is go into Bluetooth settings and check if any devices, especially sound devices, are connected to your tablet, and just in case you can simply turn off the Bluetooth for a while and check if the sound returned back to normal. And the last thing that you can do is go into System and Updates, go to Reset section and reset all settings. Click right here, click Reset all settings, confirm, and after that check if the sound returned to normal. Also make sure that your system is up to date. To check it, go to System and Updates, go to Software Update, connect to the Wi-Fi and check for updates, and if there are any, then take your time and install them. And that will be it for the video. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.